Can we make a butterfly out of these carrots from Dollar Tree? I think we can. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I have this jute carrot and I just popped the top off of it and I added it onto a skewer. And now we're going to paint it. And I'm just using a black chalk paint. You could use any paint. And just make sure you get into all the nooks and crannies. Make sure you get the top and the bottom. There it is. Set it aside. We're going to have it dry. Then I painted each of these little carrot cutouts from Dollar Tree. All of this was from Dollar Tree, by the way. I painted them orange and I let them dry. Now, this is the most challenging part of this. And I'm using a piece of chalk and I'm just kind of sketching out little ovals on the triangle part of the carrot. Does that make sense? So we're just doing little ovals. Now, as I did this project after the fact, I don't know if you all do this, but when I do a project and then after the fact, I'm like, oh, I probably should have done it this way. You will probably not make the same mistake I did. So what I'm doing here is just outlining each of those marks that I made. But in hindsight, I probably should have just painted the whole thing black and then just did ovals and little shapes with orange after. But you know what? You live and learn, right? It's fine. But all I'm doing is now coloring in all of the space around those shapes. I'm coloring it in black. I'm using a Posca marker. You could use paint. You could use a Sharpie, whatever. And I also painted the very end of the top of the carrot. I painted that black as well. Again, I should have just started the whole thing with a black carrot, but whatever, it's fine. Once that was dry, then I'm using a Posca marker again. You could use a chalk marker also, whatever, but I'm just making little dots. This is what made it. Once those white dots went on, I'm like, oh, that's a Monarch butterfly. Woohoo! Success! I know. I get so excited about these things. I can't help myself. But look at how pretty, right? And it doesn't matter. The marks on it doesn't matter. Don't get fussy about it. Now I have a black, what's it called? Paper clip. Words are hard. Love me through it. And I'm wrapping this paper clip. I open it up and I just wrap it around a pencil. And then I'm going to pull it off the pencil and stretch it out a little bit. I'm going to curl the ends in so that they're not pokey. I don't want anybody to get hurt. And that's what I'm doing here. Just curl the ends in a little bit. And then I'm going to make it so that there's a point in the center. Put a little glue on it. Put that in the very top. So now we've got antenna. Now we're going to glue our two carrot pieces together. And then after that, we're going to put some more glue on and we're going to put on our carrot that we put the paper clip in. Look at it. It's a butterfly, right? Then I thought, you know what? I want to look at this every day. So I have a magnet from Dollar Tree and I glued it. Yeah, you can see where I messed up. It's okay. But I glued it to the back of it and now we're going to put it on our fridge and I get to see it every day and I love it. Whew. I know. It's crazy pants, right? How fun is this? Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.